Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to do a drop-down menu in Wix. This is wix.com website, and first I will log in to my account. If you're like me, you have multiple websites on your Wix account. Select your website from this list. Let's work on this duplicated on one of my websites. If you have a single website on your account, you will land directly on this page. Now click on this edit site to access your Wix website editor, or Wix editor for short. This is my menu now. If you don't have a menu, I will show you how to add it in the first place. And click on add elements. Go to menu, click on it, and select horizontal or themed menus. Let's pick this menu. Now let's say that I want this shop page or menu item to be under home, for example. All I need to do is I will select the menu item just like that in order to see these options, and click on manage menu. A new side panel opens up. Now what I need to do, go to side menu and pick shop and drag and move it not directly below home, but slightly move it to the right in order to take this placement. Now let's preview my website live. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Wix today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Wix, basic website editing, embedding content like how to embed a YouTube video on a Wix website, exporting and importing, removing and resetting like how to remove Wix ads from your website for free, restoring and transferring, for example, how to restore a Wix website, how to take a backup, Wix features like how to use Wix AI website builder, adding content and features, e-commerce and store setup, sharing and collaboration, saving and deleting, like how to save a website as PDF, also how to delete a website on Wix or a Wix web account, marketing and SEO, and advanced features like how to deliver a Wix website to a client. There are also other categories like templates and customization, and how to make your Wix website responsive and fit all screens. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Preview my website live. Now if I hover over home, I will see the shop. If you want to create a drop-down menu in Wix with menu items that does not exist on your website, for example, let me show you. Click on drop-down title. Doing that, you will create a drop-down sub-menu with sub-pages under an unclickable item. Let's call this new menu social or follow me. Click on done, and here you can add a new or a different, you can create a new page and add it below follow me. You can add a link to a section. Let's add a link to Facebook, for example, or Instagram. Click on done, then call your new menu Instagram. Click on done, and take your external link and place it below follow me, but slightly to the right. Now let's preview my website again. This is my new follow me item or menu item is not clickable, and below which, as you can see, I have Instagram. Instagram is not viewable if I don't hover over follow me. And this is how to create a drop down menu in Wix. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.